Guys, this is a 2015 Ford F-150 V8 2015. What we're doing today, the plate, the range plate. So we're showing you how to get to this foot. First, we remove the valve cover gasket. We remove number 8. These are number 8 going around all the way. And guys, when you're taking them out, you take them from the bottom first. Go back there, and then when the oil start falling, it will fall in the back when the pan fall to the bottom. All right. Hey guys, we're gonna be taking out this valve body, but when you're taking out this one, guys, this have a clip right here. You pull this down. Don't pull it right down, guys, just barely. And these are the shift solenoid here. And then you take the bolts number 8, come right back this way, and leave the top because it's gonna be leaking the oil from the back when the pan come down, and then it'll be going inside the oil catch. So this is the oil pan here, and they have the filter be coming down with it. If it's not in properly, this goes right up in that hole right here. Alright guys, yeah, I'm gonna change in the flex clip, so I'll be back to figure out which bolt is which bolt, and then I'll get back to you guys. So stay tuned for this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm out. Guys, this is a follow-up of the valve body taking on, guys. So when you're taking on the valve body, they have this T30. This is a little thicker at the end, so it's about 9 or 8 of them. So you guys can see them right here. They're a little bit thicker and they don't fit the other one, so you shouldn't be going wrong. So then you have 3 in the back here, and then when you pull out the connection from up here, guys, you just spin it out, but you have to pull this lever right here down. This lever, if you can see it, down, and then you can pull this one out of the housing with it have a connection on it, so you can pull the whole thing out. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be taking out the last 2 bolts. So put your hand on it. Yeah, hold your hand on it. I gotta bring it down. Alright guys, these are the last 2 bolts, and then everything will be done. One, yeah, hold the other side. Hold it good now.
The other side.
Hold it.
The other side, right?
And then there's gonna be all out the last 2, guys. And they're supposed to be coming right down. Right down.
The right there. There we go.
Alright, and it have.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. Where you need to put it?
I need to bring it out.
Yeah, wait. I got it. You could come out.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Let it go.
Okay. Alright guys, this is I'll get a follow up for you guys. Just let me get this off my hand, part 2. Alright? Alright guys. So here we have the valve body out. And this is the new parts. And it comes with a meshy thing here. You put it over here, guys, for the solenoid. The rest right here. So guys, this is where the clip come out here. You pull the clip, and then this piece pull right out with the connection. And this is the part we're actually gonna be changing. And guys, when you take it down, it have a piece that goes right here with a spring. It falls right out, so make sure you put that back up with some grease so it won't fall back up. And then guys, so this is the manual valve right here, and this is the shift plate right here that tells you when it's in park, neutral, or whatever right there. Alright guys, so we're gonna be taking this off and putting on a new one. So it's gonna be some bolts here to take off this plate, because it have the 3 bolts here already, and then we need this 1, 2. We have a guide pin, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you get the old part, just make it up, and these bolts are underneath. So we got 2 on over here. 1, 2. We got 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So all the bolts is there. 1, 2, 3. You take these out when you take on the thing first to get the valve body down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's about it. 7 bolts. And this right down. So it's 1, 2, 3. Okay, we don't count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this got 9 boltings for this to come off, guys. So we're gonna be showing you we taking that off. So alright guys, so if you like this video and this helps you anyway, this is the 6R80 transmission from Ford, and we just replacing the range switch sensor. Alright guys, so if they catch you in anywhere and you like this video, I'm gonna try to make it a part to put it up. It's just basically a reverse procedure. If this helped you in any way, guys, please subscribe or share this video with anybody who needs this, because if your transmission, if your vehicle not starting, and it's a range, my best bet is this one. So guys, this is a new part, and we're gonna be flipping the part right now. And if you like this video, put a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, so this one has 6, I think of 5 bolts, and I'm gonna try to pry this one off because it have a pry. No, 5, 6. This one too. Alright. So this is number 6. You gotta be careful where you watch, because it's a 6 bolts. Alright guys, so lay it on the back. Trying to pry it up now, because remember guys, it have the solenoid plug in. Just gradually raise up the end to end. Alright, that's it. This is the old one. Alright guys, remember to put back this piece of connection they give to you on the new one. That helps you to the connection to be steady and don't be loose. So this is the one that tell you park, neutral, and whatever. So that's about it guys. And yeah, and don't forget the part that fall out when you take down the valve body. It sits on one of these towers right here with a plunger and spring. Make sure to put that back up, because it might fall in the down in the bowl. You gotta make sure that one. So guys, this is the body part identical. We're gonna be putting in the new part. So we just go right here. The guide. Have a guide in. Okay. Okay, just keep the guide in, and then make sure, just check everything, keep checking, because this one goes into the solenoid here guys, so you gotta be gentle. Make sure you got everything lined up. And the dowel, yeah, right, like that guys. And it connect right into the spot, just like that. Just like that guys. And you make sure that it's there, it's in with the park neutral switch right there. Make sure you get in the connection right there, and then basically start putting in back your screw guys. So for this you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to get this plate off. So all is the same length, guys. You just snug it up. Yeah, guys. So, guys, as I say, if you like this video, please consider subscribing. Check out my other videos. So this is the transmission range plate. I will leave the part number in the description. If you like this video anyway, leave a like, leave a comment, and yeah. So this is about it, guys. This is the same part number, and this is always the place that go park, neutral, reverse, whatever. Something in this that goes make the whole thing messed up. So I'm gonna be just putting back in the new one. Only done for the day. And guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing. I'm not going to be showing you when I'm putting it back up because it's the reverse procedure of what I just did. Basically everything. But if I feel like I'll make a part 2. But for now, thank you for watching. And guys, consider subscribing. That helped me move forward in my channel and I can bring out more content. And alright guys, love you guys. My birthday on Monday. I hope you guys subscribe. Thank you very much.
Guys, if you make it so far, this is the diagram, the part number.
Hey guys, we're gonna be